Hello Facebook, hi everybody, Jamie here. It's Jamie and it's time for cocktail time here at Aroma Thyme Bar. Hopefully you can hear me. We got busy right as we opened at 5 o'clock, so I'm running a little bit late. I apologize about that. I was out for a walk. It's absolutely beautiful outside today. 70 degrees, a little overcast, but beautiful. Enjoy the next 2 days because I don't think we're going to have the nicest weather over the weekend. It's going to start getting a little bit colder, a little bit chillier. So enjoy the weather while you can. Get outside, get a hike in, get a bike ride. I just went on a bike ride today. I did almost like a 4-mile walk. So hi everybody, thanks for joining me. I see that I am live now, so if you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments, and if you're watching the replay, hashtag replay, give me a comment. Tell me what you're drinking today in your glass. I haven't asked that question in a while. So hello Holly, hello Terry, thank you for watching me, I appreciate it. I'm going to be a little quick today because I'm making a new drink called Limelight, so I'm excited about it, and I want to check it out and see if it works. Let's see, tonight starts our new buy one get one free takeout special. It is our chicken masala chicken with rice and vegetables. It's buy one get one free, take that home with you and enjoy that at home. Good news on the front of taking stuff home. Still at school, not drinking anything yet. So I have some good news for you. Can you hand me those 3 bottles, those cans? So in New York State, a law just was passed by Governor Hochul to allow restaurants to sell drinks to go. So you can get cocktails to go. You can't take bottles of wine or bottles of liquor. You can take a bottle of wine if you have a glass here, have a substantial amount of food, and then take it to go. Same thing with takeout orders. You can take a cocktail to go as well if you order food. And we have these awesome ready-to-drink cocktails, so I believe you can take those home as well. Those will be on the bar, and you can order anything off of our menu or from behind the bar. So that is awesome, awesome news. We're super excited about that. Tonight we have jazz. We'll be welcoming a new guy for jazz, Pete Levin, and he's going to be taking John Simon's place. John Simon is moving to Florida and will be joining us not this evening. Unfortunately, something came up and he was supposed to be here. He is packing up today, getting ready to leave, and so unfortunately he won't be here. But we will still have jazz tonight, and going forward we will have jazz. We have Pete Levin, who is joining our jazz trio. We have Rich Syracuse, and we have Jeff Siegel. So those 3 will be playing here tonight. Tomorrow night we have Albie, so Albie will be playing at 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Sunday is Easter, so we are open at 3 o'clock on Sunday, and let's see, and then next weekend we have 99 bottles of wine on the bar, so if you want to come to 99 bottles of wine, we'd love for you to join us. Go online, buy tickets on our website. They will sell out. We'll be doing inside and outside. It's an event we were doing before the pandemic. We actually did it in January before the pandemic. And so we will be bringing that back in next Sunday, the 24th. We'll try to be doing it inside and outside, give people inside and outside to go sit and enjoy your wine. Put 99 bottles of wine on the bar. You can walk up and taste. It includes a cheese plate. Go online, buy tickets for that, and that's it. So today, Limelight, I'm going to be using bourbon. And our Campari substitute, which is tomorrow, I'm going to be using pineapple juice, orange bitters, and some agave. So I'm going to start with ice in my shaker. I'm going to put 2 ounces of Rough Rider for LIV. I'm going to put a little bit of agave. I'm going to add about 3/4 of an ounce of fresh pineapple juice, which I just added. I'm going to add some orange bitters. So thanks everybody for watching me. I see a lot of people on. So some orange bitters in there. Hello Susan. Hello Catherine. Or Kat. Thank you. Kate, sorry. And so shake this on up. Ice in my cup. Usually I do this earlier, so we're not shuffling between someone behind the bar making drinks and our staff. so I apologize for a little shuffle today. I'm going to add an ounce of Campari, our Campari, so it's Amaro, bitters to the bottom of the glass. Look at that. And then I'm going to pour a drink on top of it. Mix that in there. Squeeze a little bit. Then I'm going to take this lime and I'm going to stick this on the top of the glass. Let's see if I can do this. Cut a little hole in the bottom there. Marcus cut a little hole, so I can't really see it. There we go. And I'm going to stick it on the glass just like that. I'm going to add a little bit of the bourbon into the lime, or around the lime. And I'm going to take this new fun little gadget I got, little fire, and I'm going to just heat up the lime, give it a little char on there. I did this yesterday too, I used a little char. I'm going to add a little bit of bourbon right on top of it there. Ooh. Just to kind of catch on fire. I don't know if it's going to. Marcus told me I should practice before, but what is, you know what to practice. Alright. Char the lime. Look at that. And I'm actually going to let some people taste it at the bar, so I'm going to mix it up. And I'm going to taste it this way today so that I can... That is very good. So, bourbon, Campari, simple syrup, bitters, orange bitters, lime juice. Oh, and it said cinnamon, so we're going to add a little cinnamon on top, just like that. And there you have it. There is my Limelight. Look how good that looks. It looks really yummy. So, again, Campari in the glass. You're going to mix up bourbon, simple syrup, lime juice, orange bitters, pineapple juice, pour it on top, and char the lime a little bit. So there you have it. Hope everybody's having an amazing Thursday. Get out there, enjoy this beautiful weather. I know I did. I had a beautiful walk today, which was really nice to be outside in the weather. Again, our buy one get one free special for takeout is our tiki masala chicken. We have jazz tonight. Tomorrow night is Albie at 7 o'clock, and Sunday we are open at 3 for Easter. So hopefully you'll get to join us at some point this weekend. Please call and make reservations. We will be busy. We're headed up to Buffalo to watch Justin play baseball. I believe their team was winning 14-8 when I just last looked at the game, and so I'm excited to be up there and celebrate my birthday, which is on Sunday, which is Easter Sunday. So I'll get to celebrate with Justin and Courtney this year, which will be special for me. So hope everybody has an awesome day. Enjoy this weather. Get outside, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.